In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove background from animated GIF in Canva. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring a GIF into Canva, remove its background, and preview it on different colors so you can see how clean the cutout looks. Start by opening Canva in your browser or the desktop app and sign into your account. The background remover for moving images is a premium feature, so make sure you have access to it. If you do, you're good to go. Once Canva is open, create a new design using a template. Pick a size that suits where the GIF will be used: social posts, presentations, or a custom size. This canvas is just your working area, so don't overthink it. You can always adjust the dimensions later. Next, head to the Uploads panel and switch to the Videos section. Canva often treats GIFs like video files, so this is the most reliable place to add them. Upload your GIF by dragging it in or using the Upload button. When the upload finishes, click the GIF thumbnail to place it onto your canvas. If it lands a bit small or large, resize it by dragging the corners. Keep a bit of space around it so the remover can do its job effectively. Click the GIF on your canvas to make sure it's selected. You'll see editing options appear. Look for the background remover tool in the editing sidebar. Depending on your layout, it may appear under Edit or Effects. Click Background Remover and give it a moment to process. You'll see a loading indicator while Canva analyzes each frame. The duration depends on your GIF's length and complexity, so be patient and let it finish. Once the background is removed, it's smart to preview how it looks on different backdrops to catch any leftover edges. Add a new blank page to your design so you can compare without moving your original GIF around. On that new page, change the background color. Try white, black, and a couple of bold colors. This makes it easy to spot halos or missed areas that are hard to see on a neutral background. If you notice anything you don't like, go back to the selected GIF and reapply the remover, or fine-tune your placement and size so the subject is clear. That's it. You've opened Canva, brought in your animated GIF through the Videos Upload tab, removed the background, added a blank page, and tested different background colors to confirm a clean result. Follow these steps anytime you want a crisp, transparent-looking GIF ready to drop into designs, websites, or slides.